Welcome to Goes to 11 Get Spun. Today I'm going to show you how we make our new bullet spinner. We'll start out with a size 9mm brass casing. This is an unprimed casing, and we have a hollow point 9mm bullet that'll go in the top of that. I've drilled a hole through the bullet for our wire shaft to go through, so I've installed it into my press. Run it up inside there, make sure everything's sitting nice and straight. We'll press the bullet into the shell casing. We'll pull it out, and that's ready to use now. So now I'm just going to ask you to bear with me while I move the camera around. So I've already pre-twisted my wire, put a 1/0 split ring on there, and now we'll install a 5/32 brass bead, and that 5/32 brass bead fits nicely right in the bottom of that unprimed casing. So we'll slide that on there. I forgot to mention, inside the casing I've also installed 4 3/32 brass beads so it rattles. Not sure if you can hear that or not. It's pretty quiet, but it does add some rattle to attract fish to it. So that bead sits in there nice and flush. Then I'll add a 1/8" brass bead on top of the hollow point, and that sits in there. We'll put our size 3 clevis on, and on this one I'm going to use a size 4 brass French blade for the spinner. We also do make this with a size 3. They look very similar. The size 3 blade's about 1/4 of an inch shorter, and it takes about 1 gram off the weight. So then I add a second brass bead on top of the clevis, and I do that just because I don't like the clevis hitting up against the wire where we loop it. There's no chance that the clevis is going to get hung up on a sharp edge when you add a second bead to the top. So I bend it around, cut it to the length that I want. Bend a V into that so that it will fit nicely into the twister. Twist the top loop on, make sure everything spins nice and freely. Then we'll add our size 6 treble hook. In this instance I'm going to use an Eagle Claw Talon treble hook on here. I like them because they got a bit of a curve to them. They seem to hold the fish. I pinch my barbs when I fish because I fish catch and release, and those curved hooks seem to hold the fish a little better. So there we go. It spins nice and free. That's our 9mm bullet spinner. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe, hit the reminder bell so you don't miss any future content on Goes to 11 Get Spun. And check out the fishing store. It's fishingandoutdoors.ca. Thank you.